Hey, welcome back to our new video, where we are going to discuss how you can build an online B2B e-commerce platform for multi-vendors. Are you planning to build a B2B e-commerce platform that supports multiple vendors? Great choice! Let's walk through the essential steps to make it successful. Step 1. Understand your market and niche. In the B2B space, industries have unique requirements. Whether it's wholesale electronics, industrial parts, or office supplies, study your target audience, pricing models, and their purchase behavior. Step 2. Choose the right technology stack. You can go with popular e-commerce platforms like Magento or Shopify Plus with B2B plugins. For complete flexibility and scalability, a custom solution using frameworks like Laravel, Node.js, or React is ideal. Step 3. Must-have features. Your platform should allow vendor onboarding, profile management, product listing, real-time stock updates, custom pricing, bulk ordering, quote requests, and secure payments. Also, implement role-based access control, tax settings, multi-language, and multi-currency support to match global B2B needs. Step 4. Vendor and admin dashboards. Each seller needs a dashboard to manage their business, while admins must be able to monitor performance, resolve disputes, and maintain smooth operations. Step 5. Mobile-first and responsive design. B2B buyers today expect the same usability as B2C platforms, so invest in a fast, intuitive UI/UX. And don't forget key integrations. ERP, CRM, shipping providers, and payment gateways should all work seamlessly. Building a B2B multi-vendor platform takes strategy, technology, and the right development partner. That's where TechGropse comes in. From planning to deployment, we build scalable, secure, and feature-rich B2B e-commerce platforms tailored to your business goals. Need a custom solution that grows with you? Contact TechGropse today at TechGropse. Let's build the future of B2B commerce together.